Hello everyone and welcome to our new YouTube channel Snacks and Steaks. Today we're going to be testing our results for a 10-day dry aging steak without using any professional tools. I'm going to be showing you guys the beautiful organic Greek steak. If you guys don't know about organic steaks, it's basically a cow that has been fed only grass and didn't take any kind of chemical to grow. And let's start. We took almost all the air out, but of course there will be always some air left in. And we're gonna just put it in a safe care zone. Alright guys, 3 days in, I noticed that the steak started to blacken a little bit. So I decided to try something new. Now I put some rice from bottom to top and to the sides as well, as you can see. Now I'm just gonna put it directly into the safe zone in the fridge. I'm not gonna add a plastic bag this time. Alright guys, after removing all of the rice, I'm gonna just trim it to remove all the hard parts from the sides to everywhere. You can see these guys, this is not edible. This is not edible, it's hard, it's chewy and it's bad. I'm gonna actually also be removing the bone just to make sure that everything surrounding the bone that is bad is removed as well. Alright guys, let me tell you one thing that I noticed from this experience is that the steak actually is much softer. When it first came in, it was kinda hard, the usual steak consistency, but when you dry age and you remove every hard part, you find yourself with a much softer, tender cut. Alright guys, 10 minutes has passed. Now I'm just gonna put my steak on the grill. I'm gonna give it like 2 minutes. I'm gonna give it like 2 minutes on each side. Alright guys, let's cut the steak open. I can tell you that I instantly smell a wonderful smell. I've never smelled something like that before, to be honest. It's different, it's a little bit sweet. Look at that. If you guys didn't know, this is probably pork. I honestly don't eat pork, so I just wanted to show you guys how it looks like cooking on an electronic grill. I didn't notice that this is pork. My local butcher doesn't speak English very well, so he probably misunderstood me. But here we are, guys. Alright guys, thanks for watching. The next video will be about your aging experiment as well. I promise you better results, hopefully. And we're gonna be using sirloin steak. I'm pretty sure it's meat this time. Don't forget to subscribe and like, please. We got the electronic grill specifically to actually get better results on the YouTube channel. So it helps us a lot to make better, bigger videos for you guys. And see you guys in the next video.